Tonight, we begin in Winnebago County, where board members voted to put the option to reinstate a 0.5% sales tax on the ballot come fall.
That's right. It's called the mental health tax, which was introduced back in 2019. Now, the tax helped create the Winnebago County Community Mental Health Board. Now, you see right here on your screen the different services the tax supports, 11 types of services like housing or even rehabilitation.
And that 0.5% sales tax has helped fund 44 mental health programs in Winnebago County since 2019, and it continues to grow. On average, $14 million is awarded a year from the tax.
And tonight, we're learning how this tax has impacted our community. Before the vote is in your hands to keep it.
We have made, in my opinion, a seismic change in human services within the county.
7,000 people. That is how many lives the mental health tax has impacted during the first quarter of 2024 alone.
You know, I've been working in mental health field within Rockford and the county since 1966.
6 decades in the industry, and Dick has noticed a massive change in the approach to mental health, including the mental health tax.
And this is a dream come true. It covers all the things that you and I need, you know, as we look at our lives with what it is that is helpful to us in surviving in our culture.
That culture is what the Mental Health Board is trying to improve. Across the last 5 years, the mental health tax has expanded services for 44 organizations, including Stepping Stones of Rockford. For years, they were only able to serve a maximum of 160 clients at any given time. Now, thanks to the tax, they are capable of serving almost 700 clients with an added outpatient center and can now support children.
Well, we saw what was without it prior to this tax, right? Long waiting lists, people struggling with depression, anxiety, homelessness, any number of mental health issues, and just not being able to find easy access to services.
This is Tracy. As a teen, she was diagnosed with bipolar disorder and PTSD. At one point, she no longer wanted to live, but now she's found help through Stepping Stones.
I came from a nursing home, and I found out about a residential program where I am now. And I left the nursing home, which I thought I'd be there forever. And it's been a very happy place for me. I've come a long way.
With mental illness becoming a crisis in the U.S., Tracy can attest how important added access to mental health services is.
I wouldn't be in a good state of mind, for one, and I wouldn't be able to live alone. And just the access to be able to get the help and assistance I need was very difficult.
And thanks to the tax, in the coming months, Stepping Stones of Rockford will also be breaking ground on a new 10-unit group home. And also don't forget, this 0.5% sales tax will be on your ballots come November.